Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi Kapoor, Product Marketing Manager for Business Messaging at Meta. And I'm super excited to be here today to tell you about how you can achieve your business goals, whether they are to generate leads or sales through the combined power of Manychat automation and Meta's ads that click to message. Manychat is the #1 chat marketing platform that helps businesses craft meaningful conversations and drive more leads and sales using the most popular messaging apps: Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Manychat supercharges your ads that click to message to boost sales, automate frequently asked questions, and qualify more leads on autopilot. In fact, marketers using Manychat have generated over 101 million contact opt-ins, and over 30% of all contacts in Manychat are generated through ads that click to message. Manychat is one of our top business messaging partners worldwide, so we are thrilled to be partnering with them today to show you how you can drive sales and generate leads through ads that click to message. Manychat is home to 2 million businesses, and Meta is home to over 200 million businesses who advertise worldwide. Thinking about the evolution of e-commerce, we have come a long way from the time people realized that they could sell stuff via TV in 1979. If you remember, they used to have these big rooms with multiple telesales agents just sitting ready to receive your order. Fast forward to the 20th century, and not only have global marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, but also region-specific marketplaces like Lazada and Shopee in Southeast Asia, and many more, created a great avenue for businesses to drive discovery of their products. Take another leap, and we are now in the 21st century, where a business is no longer limited to these marketplaces, but has advanced tools at their fingertips through commerce platforms like Shopify. But what does e-commerce look like today? To be successful in the current age of e-commerce, sellers need to monitor comments and listen to what shoppers say about their products and customer service. This has led to the rise of a new type of e-commerce called conversational commerce or social commerce. Shoppers want to speak to the business, satisfy themselves, and then buy the product. To understand this behavior, Meta conducted a survey of 8,000 plus adults across US, UK, Germany, India, Mexico, Brazil, and Indonesia. 68% of them shared that they were more likely to do business with or purchase from a company that they could contact via messaging than one that they could not. This is understandable really if you think about how you shop in a store. You ask questions to the sales staff present around you. Can I get this in a different color? Is there a discount? Can I get it delivered? So why shouldn't this behavior extend to online shopping? When we surveyed 25,000 people across 10 different markets, we found that 2/3 of the consumers who use messaging apps to interact with the business have contacted them while in the process of shopping. So let me tell you why you should consider Meta's messaging products. Together, Messenger, Instagram DMs, and WhatsApp represent 3 of the largest messaging apps in the world. With 1.3 billion people on Messenger, you can easily extend the relationship you have with your customers on Facebook into a personal two-way conversation. Instagram has 1 million monthly active people, and as the place where people connect with brands and things they love, DMs are a great way to build a deeper connection with your customers. And finally, WhatsApp, with 2 billion monthly active people, allows people to discover, communicate, and transact with businesses like yourself. Because people prefer messaging over other communication channels, customers are more likely to choose businesses that enable conversation. You can start messaging conversations with ads that click to message, and we'll deliver these ads to people more likely to have a conversation with your business. This helps move customers from consideration to action. One question you may have is, what messaging platform do I build for? Should I build for Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp? The correct answer is all of them. You don't need to choose. Meta's optimization algorithm allows you to run one ad and opens the conversation in the channel most preferred by the customer. In fact, 86% of online shoppers who use Meta technologies purchased a product discovered on the platform. Now imagine all this supercharged by Manychat automation. Manychat allows you to connect your click-to-messaging ads and achieve your business goals, whether they are to generate leads or drive sales, easily on autopilot mode. You don't need to sit and monitor all of your conversations. With Manychat automation, you can qualify your leads automatically, give customers instant access to frequently asked questions, provide more information on your products, and waitlist customers for out-of-stock items, as well as build loyalty and trust. To give you a preview of what's possible, here we have an example of a business, Bo and Bell Littles. They are a small family-owned company from Loveland, Colorado, selling reusable swim diapers. They decided to run ads that click to message from Meta and supported the message volumes they were getting with Manychat's advanced automation tools. Together, they were able to reduce cost per conversation by 41% and saw a 116x increase in conversations per week. Way to go, Bo and Bell Littles! In today's webinar, we are going to deep dive into how you can set up ads that click to message across the different platforms and the best way to optimize them for getting the most results. I hope you find this session useful.